say this is a 30?
That's a Glock Model 30 45 ACP.
So, next investment, Glock Model 30.
Can you believe it shoots that good?
Wow, I'm really sorry that I talked so much trash about Glocks the other day with the HK.
I did cut that out of the video so
shooter.
you wouldn't take a lot of slack.
Okay, good deal. Well, anyways, HK was a great shooter, but this was a really good shooter. I mean, those high-vis fiber optic sights are awesome. I couldn't really see the laser on down there.
Right.
But the high-vis sights made it real easy to get that sight alignment.
Show it to them. Okay, that's the kind of sights we got on it, guys. But True Glow.
Looks similar to a Novak sight.
Yeah, now you hit it. You hit those good.
Yeah, well, I've never held this gun. I've never fired this gun, and I was surprised at how well it just like fit in my hand and fired from the start.
Well, load it back up and see what you can do with it again.
Good deal. Know what to expect this time. And I'm telling you, that 45 didn't kick it hardly at all.
No.
Good magazine capacity for 45 as well.
And got some good old USA ammo in there.
Some good shooting stuff. Look how pretty those bullets are. Nice brass.
Full Metal Jacket. Didn't they make a movie that said Full Metal Jacket?
Oh yeah. There's lots of quotes that come out of that great movie. I think they said "oorah" a few times in that movie too.
You think?
Yeah.
I think Gunny was in that movie, wasn't he?
Yeah, Gunny was. Gunny's heyday. Army at his best. God,
now, of course, you being a whole Army guy, you wouldn't have went through that.
We didn't have DIs. We had drill sergeants.
I hear you. Here we go.
Where's the other target at? Did I knock it down?
You killed it.
Wasn't there one over there? Oh, I finally got that zombie, huh? Not one miss.
Not one miss. But,
I take back everything I've said about Glock in all my time.
Maybe you can figure out why it's such a sweet shooter.
Well, Big Daddy Hoffman picked it. It had to have been a sweet shooter.
All right. Let's see what you got, big boy.
I'm amazed by this gun. I'm serious. Glock does put some serious quality in these firearms. This thing is a good shooter right out of the box. Although you have done a few mods to it.
Oh, a little bit. That 2.5 pound trigger pull is light, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the Big Daddy special, right?
Yes, that's right.
You almost don't even need the laser on it with those high-vis sights on there.
Not really.
Sweet.
They light up tonight, I'll tell you that.
Oh yeah, there's still plenty of light to gather in those things.
All right, right down there is where the zombies come out of the creek. So we're just waiting on, around dusk, they start coming out. Like I said, these guys are fast. So hopefully we can get them before they come up the hill. So we'll go down and set up that target he killed. Kevin got to shoot my Glock Model 30. If you like this video, please like, favorite, and subscribe. And remember, Big Daddy loves you.
Hooah!
That's right. Hoorah. What are you shooting now?
The HK USP 9, full size.
Are you going to run out of ammo anytime tonight?
Oh no. No. That's the possibility.
All right. See you guys.